So guys, in today's video I am going to tell you what are virtual environments and why they are used in Python. So virtual environment is like an isolated environment separately created to perform some special tasks or do a special project that you don't want to include in your original installation. So you can even install some other Python version which you are suitable with or comfortable with in a virtual environment. So that's what virtual environments are, and they are used so that you don't mix things up. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a virtual environment and how you can delete it, how you can activate it or deactivate it. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open terminal. So here I'm going to type. First of all, you have to be inside that directory where you want to create the virtual environment. So I'm just going to create it here, but you can go into other directories and create the environment where you want. So I'm just going to create it here, and the syntax that I'm going to use is python m venv. So this is the command that we are going to use, venv. This will create our virtual environment, and now we have to type the name of the environment that we want to create. So the name, we can type any name here. So I'm just going to type uh, trial and okay, so that is our virtual environment's name, and I'm just going to press enter. Now it will take a few seconds to create the virtual environment, and some directories will also be created inside this folder. A folder will be created named trial and some more directories inside it will be created. So I'm just going to show you in this. Okay, so this is users, and here you can see that a directory has been created, trial n, and some more directories inside it are created. So this is our virtual environment, and how we can activate this virtual environment is very simple. What you have to do is you have to type this dot slash, we have to go inside this directory, then inside scripts folder which is created here. Let me show you. This is the scripts folder, and then what we have to type is activate. So what this will do is this will activate our virtual environment. Now you can see that the name of our virtual environment appears here, and now we are inside that virtual environment. So that's how a virtual environment is uh, activated. Now how you can get out of this virtual environment is simply by typing deactivate. So now we are out of that virtual environment. So let me just show you one thing. Okay, so pip list all. So these are all the libraries that are installed in my original Python, which is installed in my system. So as you can see that there are many libraries, XLRD and transformers and scikit-learn, requests, pypdf2. So you can see that there are many libraries. Now what happens when I create a virtual environment? So first of all, I'm going to activate it. Okay, so now we are inside the virtual environment. Let me just clear this first. Okay, so now we are inside the virtual environment, and now I'm going to type the same thing again. So pip list all. Now you can see that we have only two libraries installed here. There are not that many libraries, so this is a completely separate environment, you can say. So I can do anything here. I can install only those libraries which I want to work with for a special project. So that's what virtual environments are used for. And for example, um, I can install a library here by typing pip install, and that library will only be installed in this virtual environment. It will not be in the main installation of Python in my system. So that's what virtual environments are used for. Now I am going to deactivate it. Now I am outside the virtual environment, and now I'm going to show you how you can delete one. So I'm just going to delete this trial and virtual environment. How you can do that is by simply typing remove item, type the virtual environment name and recurse. So this should remove our virtual environment. Now the directory should be gone here. There should not be a directory named trial n. You can see that there is no directory named trial n now, so it is gone. That's how you can remove a virtual environment. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope this helped you in some way, and thank you.